Okay, so today I've removed the Cobra GP2RR Speed Pro can that I had on. I've got it originally because it was one of the only ones available for the Mark Gen 2 S1000XR, the latest one, and I've replaced it with a Pro Race slash pipe. Now it's well documented that basically these bikes, because of the cat and everything else like that, they're not particularly noisy. I mean, the Cobra went too bad when it was on full chat, but it idle, it was like it wasn't running. I'm pretty impressed with this, so for the money, so let's see. Now I don't think that's bad, and it's probably loud enough for what I want, so really happy. We'll let the bike warm up and then see what it sounds like with a bit more revs. So as I said, Mark 2, never going to sound like a Mark 1 unless you go for the full headers and everything else like that. I didn't want to. So what I have done is warmed up now, so let's give it a... I like that. A lot louder, and it's got that little crackle to it, so I'm really happy. So yeah, that's it.